Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what NorthOne is and how it works. NorthOne is a financial technology company that provides online business banking services specifically designed for freelancers, startups, and small business owners. It's not a traditional bank itself, but it partners with a bank, the Bancorp Bank, N.A., to provide its services. This partnership ensures that customer deposits are FDIC insured up to $250,000. So, how does it work? NorthOne offers a business checking account that you can manage entirely online or through its mobile app. It's built to simplify financial management for small businesses. A key feature is its envelopes tool. This allows you to create separate sub-accounts within your main checking account to help you budget for specific expenses like taxes, payroll, or rent. You can set up rules to automatically move a percentage of your incoming money into these envelopes, which helps you stay organized and on track with your finances. NorthOne also focuses on making it easy to send and receive payments. It integrates with many popular business tools and platforms like Stripe, PayPal, and Shopify, allowing for instant access to your funds. You can also send and receive ACH and wire transfers. They offer a business debit card, and you can even deposit cash at over 90,000 retail locations. The service is designed to be user-friendly, with a focus on a simple application process and seamless digital experience. They aim to help small businesses spend less time on banking and more time on growing their business. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.